Hello everybody, welcome again to Iceland £1 frozen food. Take it down and feed the lads in town. So let me show you what we're going to do today. Nice and simple. So guys, we're going to be doing pepperoni pizza sub. £1 you get two. Yeah, so I'm going to do them then. See, one of the lads take 18 minutes to cook. I don't know if you can see. There's the ingredients there, if you want to have a quick look. As I say again, it's not one of them videos. One of the lads got a course today, so I'm hoping he does okay. So I didn't really know what to do, because I don't know what time his course starts and finishes. So I'm going to do one of them, and also, he does like egg fried rice. So, I'm going to do, I've done my rice there already. I'm going to do one of my homemade egg fried rices. So then he can have it later on if he needs to. So first things first, we cut them open. Say £2 for £1 these, so they ain't bad, are they? In the oven for like 20 minutes, the oven's already warming up. The rice is cooling down. Oh yeah, there they are. And we will get them on there. So my rice already done, so that egg fried rice only takes 5 minutes, so that's easy enough when these are done. Right, in the oven we go. Right guys, pizza's have got about 5 or 6 minutes to go. So I'm just going to do my egg fried rice. I'm getting my wok hot, a little bit of oil in the bottom, don't need a lot. I've done 3 eggs, because I've got quite a lot of rice. I'm going to get my eggs in, give them a quick fry. Then I always take my eggs back out then. Eggs done, I'm going to put them in a bowl. I'm just going to give a pan of wipe over. I'll clean the pan up. I'm just going to get a bit of oil in here now. Oops. We will get the rice fried up. Eggs in. Little bit of oyster sauce. Quite thick this, so you don't need quite a lot of this stuff. Just get that taste. You can put peas in if you want, I'm not today. I'll even might put a bit of hoisin in as well. Just to top it off. Give it that little bit of more flavour, why not, eh? Well, I'll give that a couple of minutes and then we'll dish up. There's the pizza. Look quite nice, don't they, for £1 then, £1 for the two. Ain't too bad. I'm going to use a bit of non-stick foil. 1 each. There's them. And I'll get my containers for my rice. Right, I'm going to dish these into the containers now. So as I say, you can put peas and everything in if you need to. I'm not. I have done better. It's a little bit gloopy, because I think that's probably because I didn't let the rice go completely cold. But hey, put some food in their bellies, won't it? They put a bit of food in their bellies. I only use that cheap long grain rice as well from Aldi. So there we go guys, 3 egg fried rice and a couple of some pizzas, and they can eat that when they want to. I'm also putting a can of Coke in there guys for them. It's a warm day. I've run out of water. I'll have to get someone to go to the shop. What I bought you today, let me see, I bought you so I know you were doing the burgers, so I didn't know what to do yet. Yeah. So I thought, well, I'll do something for later. Yeah. You know what I mean? So I've got you. I've got you. And do you want to check the old man's, or do you want me to take it round to him?
Do you want me to take it?
Yeah, it's up to you. I've got ya. It's a pizza sub, which you can have later if you want it. And I've got you some homemade egg fried rice, which I think is right. It's not the best egg fried rice. But there's two in there, because there was extra, so I put you got one each and you got a spare one. You can share between yourselves. Right, I ain't got no bloody bags open for you either.